Sabeeh here, and I really did not want this moment to come, but unfortunately I will have to take a break from YouTube from making videos because I do not have enough time for that. I have my exams starting in May, exactly 2nd May, and they will end on 30th of May. I am in O levels and this is my last year, so these exams are extremely important. So I will have to take a break from videos because I do not have enough time. I will try to make videos as soon as my exams end, but till then I will not be able to create any video. This is going to be the last video, this break video. This is a short video and I have not been uploading for a while. Over a week I did not upload, so sorry for that. And as I will not be uploading for about 6 to 7 weeks, YouTube will stop showing my videos in recommended, and they're also having quite a lot issues with the subscriptions box. So please turn the notifications on so that you know when I come back. And thanks for watching all the videos, and thanks for all the support, thanks for all the comments, and yeah, thanks for watching. Peace and assalamu alaikum.